Most people think starting a high-income business means huge investment, complex tech, or years of experience. That's not true. In this video, you will get top 3 highly paid business ideas to start a business. Number 1. Custom dashboards for business metrics. Every business owner has data, but most of them don't understand it clearly. Sales numbers, expenses, cash flow, marketing performance, and customer data often sit in different tools. A custom business dashboard brings all of that into one simple visual view. Your job is not to analyze deeply like a data scientist. Your job is to organize and present data in a way founders can understand in 5 minutes. You can build dashboards using tools like spreadsheets, reporting software, or business intelligence platforms. Founders pay well because these dashboards help them make faster decisions and avoid costly mistakes. This service is especially valuable for small and mid-sized businesses that cannot afford a full-time analyst. You can charge one-time setup fees, monthly maintenance, or ongoing reporting retainers. Demand is global and growing. Number 2. Business finance coaching for founders. Many founders are great at selling or building products, but weak at managing money. Business finance coaching focuses on helping founders understand cash flow, pricing, profit margins, debt, and financial planning. This is not accounting or tax filing. It is practical guidance that helps owners control their business finances with confidence. You help them read basic financial statements, plan monthly cash flow, avoid common money mistakes, and make smarter decisions. Founders pay premium fees because bad financial decisions can destroy a business quickly. Coaching can be done one-on-one, in small groups, or through monthly advisory calls. This business is highly scalable, relationship-driven, and trusted globally. If you can explain finance in simple language, this idea has strong long-term income potential. Number 3. Data cleanup and migration services. Businesses collect data for years, but most of it becomes messy, outdated, and unreliable. Old spreadsheets, duplicated records, incorrect customer details, and broken systems slow companies down. Data cleanup and migration services solve this exact problem. You help businesses clean their data and move it from old systems to new platforms. This could include customer records, financial data, inventory data, or operational information. Companies pay well because data mistakes cause revenue loss, reporting errors, and compliance issues. This service is in demand during software changes, system upgrades, and business growth phases. You don't need to create new data. You fix and organize what already exists. It is a high-value, low-visibility service that businesses gladly outsource. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who wants to start a business, and subscribe to the channel for more practical business ideas and finance insights.